Welcome back to Change Your Life. Today we will discuss disadvantages of science, so let's start. Science has undoubtedly propelled humanity forward, offering countless benefits in various fields such as medicine, technology, and environmental protection. However, the pursuit and application of scientific knowledge can also present significant drawbacks. This article delves into the disadvantages of science, examining the ethical, social, environmental, and health-related implications of scientific advancements. Ethical concerns. 1. Bioethical dilemmas. Scientific advancements, particularly in genetics and biotechnology, often raise complex ethical questions. Technologies like CRISPR, which allows for precise gene editing, present opportunities to eradicate genetic diseases, but also pose risks of misuse. The potential for designer babies, where parents select specific traits for their children, leads to concerns about eugenics and the exacerbation of social inequalities. 2. Human experimentation. Historical instances of unethical human experimentation, such as the Tuskegee syphilis study, highlight the potential for abuse in scientific research. Even today, ethical standards can be compromised, particularly in regions with less stringent regulatory frameworks. This underscores the need for rigorous ethical oversight in all scientific endeavors. Social and economic impacts. 1. Job displacement and economic inequality. Technological advancements driven by scientific research often lead to automation and increased efficiency, which can result in significant job displacement. Industries such as manufacturing and retail are particularly vulnerable as robots and artificial intelligence systems replace human workers. This can exacerbate economic inequality, as those without the skills to adapt to new technologies may find themselves unemployed and struggling financially. 2. Digital divide. The rapid pace of technological development can widen the digital divide, leaving behind those without access to the latest technologies. This can create significant disparities in education, employment, and overall quality of life between different socioeconomic groups. Ensuring equitable access to technological advancements remains a critical challenge. 3. Privacy concerns. Advancements in data collection and surveillance technologies raise significant privacy issues. The ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data can lead to intrusive monitoring and potential misuse of information. This is particularly concerning in the context of government surveillance and corporate data practices, where individuals may have little control over how their information is used.